Hi guys, my name is Mark, and on this video I'm going to show you how to do double roundabouts. First thing we're going to do really is look at the sign to see the shape of it and where the other roundabout is. So we're going to go left at this one. So it's going to be center mirror, left mirror, signal left, because we want to let people know that we're going left at the first one. You want to position yourself on the left as well. So you check the right out from early. It's looking like it's clear right now. There's no one really coming from there. Then you want to keep left, and I want to keep my signal onto the left as I get to this one. Check the right again, and then I complete the turn. So don't treat them as one roundabout, treat them separately. So here we're going to follow signs for Totteridge, which is just going to be, if you look at the first roundabout, so it's going to be to the right on the first roundabout. So mirror, mirror, signal. So we don't need to worry about the next roundabout. What we're concerned about is the first one, because the sign for Totteridge was just saying right on the first roundabout. So what we need to do is this roundabout first, check the left just quickly, and then it's done. So when you got two roundabouts, you don't need to worry about the second bit if your turn is just on the first roundabout. Only concern yourself with the second roundabout if your turn is going to the next bit, which I'll show you now. So now we'll follow signs for Edgware, which on the sign here you can see it's left at the first roundabout and then right at the second one. So in that case, we're going to need to check our mirrors and let people know we're going towards the left first of all, but we're going to aim straight for the right lane as we get towards the second roundabout. So we're just checking this roundabout for any cars coming from the right, but they're getting blocked by these cars over here. Then I can go, I'm aiming straight for the right lane, then I'll signal right from here. Looking at that side as well, I can see that white car, but he's getting blocked by this van here, which means I can go. This time we're going to go left and then right, following signs for Mill Hill. So now on this one, on some tests, I've heard examiners say, even though we're turning left, I would recommend that you position yourself to the right. So we're going to signal left, but position a bit right, because we're going to go to the right lane straight away afterwards. So this way, everyone knows we're going to be turning left. So I'm checking that side, but he's getting blocked by that car over there. And then I can be in the right lane straight away and then signal right. I'm looking at this roundabout, I can see that van coming from the right, so I need to wait for him, getting into gear one. I'm just concentrating on that side purely. And once I get here, I can start checking this side, make sure whoever's here stops for me. And that's how you do left and then right. So sometimes it's better to position yourself right even though you're turning left. In that situation, most examiners will just say to you, they recommend that you do that, especially if you're not familiar with the area as well. So here we'll turn right and then right. So this one is pretty straightforward in terms of positioning. So you just want to check your mirrors, center, right mirror, signal right, get into the correct gear. I'm going to get into gear 2 as I approach this. Get into gear 1 because this lady just walked in front of the car. And I'm checking the right from early. That bus is going the other way, is in the other lane. And I'm going to keep myself, go around the roundabout, and then I'm going to keep positioning to the right as I go around. And signal is going to cancel itself. I put it back on, checking the right, there's nothing coming from there. And then now I start checking these guys who should be waiting for me now. Checking my mirrors as I come off and cancel the signal. This time we're going to go right and then left. So check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right, so everyone knows that I'm going towards the right. And then because we're going to go left afterwards, I'm going to aim straight for the left lane. So once see there's nothing coming my way, I'm aiming straight for the left lane, check my mirrors as well as I'm doing that, and then signal left as well, let people know which way I'm going. Checking out for these cars on the right, but it looks like they're going the other way. Then I can carry on. Then if you're just turning right, so center mirror, right mirror, position yourself to the right. So your main attention should be over to the right hand side over there where that motorbike is, but he's getting blocked by that bus, so I can go. So these guys now have to wait for us. Don't be too scared of them. They just have to be brave and keep going forward, and they will see you and they will stop. But you want to just have a look at them to make sure that they're doing the right thing, but don't be scared of them, which is what a lot of learners do. They see cars coming from there and they think, oh my god, they're going to crash into me. You got to trust them. But obviously if someone's not stopping and you've already gone through, then you're going to have to stop. But in the first place, just trust that they will do the right thing. So here we're going to follow signs for Burnt Oak, which if you look at the sign is going to be left at the first roundabout and then left at the second one. So we're going to check our mirrors, mirror, mirror, signal left, and get into the correct gear. I'll get into gear 2 as I approach, but I can see it's quite busy over there. So I'm just going to position myself to the left and get into gear 1 and wait for these guys over there. And just watching for any cars that might come and block them. But so far it looks like there's no one there doing that. And this car's blocked my view. So whenever someone's blocked your view like this, don't be in a rush. Just wait until they move out the way, then check for yourself that it's clear. And then once we get here, start checking over there for any more cars coming, but it looks like it's completely clear right now, and then you can go. Also watch out for zebra crossings next to roundabouts as well. There's lots of them with zebra crossings next to them. So that's the end of that one. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel. We've got loads more coming. We've got more in the channel that you can check out, so make sure you do that. And until next time, take care.